In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete a passkey in Amazon. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete the passkey, what you have to do is click on this option, account and list, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like your orders, your addresses, your payments, etc. What you have to do is find this option for login and security and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the login and security interface. You'll be able to find the options like name, email, primary phone number, passkey, etc. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for passkey. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for edit. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit the passkey. You'll be able to see the passkey that you've added over here. So if you want to delete it, what you have to do is click on the trash icon that you can see right over here in the passkey that you've added. Now this kind of pop-up will appear here. If you delete the passkey, you will no longer be able to use this passkey to sign in to Amazon. Click on the option delete that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that passkey has been deleted from Amazon. So that is how you delete a passkey on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.